Hello students, today we are going to know the definitions. Previous classes we have studied about introduction and evaluation of accounting, everything we have learned. You know already about the transaction means money or money's worth. So here A&Co is going to start the business. He started the business on 1st April with rupees 1 lakh. So this initial amount we call it as in accounts terminology capital. Then he purchased goods from X & Co. rupees 1 lakh. Next Y & Co. rupees 2 lakhs. Then Z & Co. rupees 3 lakhs. Like this S & Co. rupees 50,000. Then he wants to sell the goods, isn't it? So sales to yes sir, A & Co. Sales to B & Co. rupees 4 lakhs. C & Co. rupees 3 lakhs. Then E & Co. rupees 1 lakh. So these are all the items. What I am doing, I am recording all the transactions. Rent for April month, rent rupees 3,000. May month rupees 3,000. June month rupees 3,000. July month rupees 3,000. August month rupees 3,000. Of September. Like this I will record all the transaction till the next March. So salary to D 10,000, E 10,000, to R 10,000, to C 10,000, to T 10,000, to Q 10,000. So like this I am entering next one, depositing the amount. Each month 1,000 rupees I am depositing. Because of safety purpose, to meet the contingency expenses, I am depositing the money. Contingency means what? To meet the unavoidable expenses. Then April month, my business concern electric charges 700 rupees. May month 400. June month 300, July 400, so August 500. What I did? I record the transactions. So accounting is the art of recording. What transaction? The next classifying purchases. How many purchases I want to see means I will check 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 plus 3, 6 lakhs. So 6 lakhs purchase. Then sales, save 7, 8 lakhs. So these are all things I will order. So this is classification. Deposit how many rupees? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7,000 rupees deposit. Electric charges 1,000, 1,800, 2,300. Then salary like the same way. How many? 60,000 rupees. Then this is a classification. I am classifying all the accounts under same category. Then summarizing means what? I am putting the total. So 6,50,000 purchase, 6,50,000 sales, 8 lakhs. Then next one, come to rent. 6 into 3 how much? 18,000. Next one, say the salary 10,000 into 6, 60,000. Next one, have you understand? Do you understand up to this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7,000. So what I am doing? I am summarizing how many rent, how many electrical charges throughout this year. 10, 7 plus 3, 10, 18, 18 plus 5, 2,300. So I have summarized all the transaction. In which manner? In a significant manner, systematic manner. In terms of money, if I am selling the rice means, did I mention any quantity? No, money alone I have mentioned. And in terms of money, in which or in part, at least in a financial character. All the one I have written in terms of finance, money. Interpreting. See here, next in the coming March month or April month, the auditor will come and audit the concern. At that time, he will ask why you have purchased from X and alone 3 lakhs rupees. Why means I have to substantiate, I have to say the reason. This party is a very good person, better quality, and he is a prompt supplier. So that is called interpreting. Sales means why he will ask why you sold the goods to B and Co 4 lakhs rupees. What is the reason? So he is a prompt payer, so that I have given the credit facility. So this is called interpreting the results thereof. This is all about the definition, girls. Listen. Let us see in accounting cycle in the next video. Conclude the definition. Accounting is the art of recording. What I did, all the transactions I have record. Classifying, purchases separately, sales separately, I have classified, that is classifying. Summarizing how many amount, everything I have put the total, that is summarizing in a significant manner, in a systematic manner, and in terms of money, everything I have written in terms of money. Transactions, these are called transactions and events which are in part at least of a financial character, and interpreting the results thereof. So whatever step by step we have taken, first I have recorded, then I have classified, summarizing in a systematic manner, and in terms of money I never mention any quality or quantity. Everything in terms of everything in the transactions, all the transactions I have mentioned, which are in part in a financial character. At last I have interpret the results. Why there is a increase in sales, why there is an increase in purchase, everything. So this is all about definition, accounting definitions. Next we are going to see the accounting process.